seen nobody come with nothing like that.
Oh man, it's big in the producer community, so that's why I decided to do it. Started to do more of it as well. You know what I'm saying? I got some more loop kits coming. Me and 808 Vibes. We got some R&B sample kits coming. You know what I'm saying? So those gonna hit them real good. People love some good R&B sample type joints.
Absolutely. Man, right. Those little melodies like how Kanye used to do back in the day. Yeah, that's gonna be dope, man. What's some of your biggest songs, man, that you got, man?
I mean, a lot of people, and it's crazy, right? People always see my credit list and they see the Kevin Gates, they see the Fox Empire, you know what I'm saying? The Kevin Gates record was definitely a nice jump and everything like that. But the record that like really got it really like cracking, it would have to be my bro Vito the singer, you know what I'm saying? It was a record we did. It was me and D Money. We produced that, and the name of the record was called Four Walls. It was Vito the singer and Natasha Mosley, both of them out of Atlanta. Now, you know, Vito got the You Got It record, you know what I'm saying? Going crazy, the mother went platinum and all of that, so shout out to him. Yeah, but the record that we got, that month sitting at like 47 million streams. Like it was up, like it went crazy. Like it was like, and that was like one of my first kind of like placements at the like at that time, cause I was with Good Music from 2014 to 16, and then once I got out of that, it was probably around 15 or 17 was when I think that record came out, 17 or 18, and that kind of helped with my independent road of placements, you know what I'm saying, to start building, you know what I'm saying. Of course I still got the resume, but it was just like, all right, these were placements now that I got off of just my relationship or just my hustle, or you know what I'm saying, my groundwork.
That's dope, man. I ain't even gonna lie, that's hell of a lot. Have you linked up with Metro Boomin? Have you heard him?
Nah, man, you know what I'm saying, we ain't linked up, man. Nah, it's crazy, cause me and one of Metro's aunties, she used to go to my dad's church, and she was one of the praise and worship leaders. She could sing her butt up, boy. Yeah, you know what I'm saying. But nah, man, we ain't never linked up, man. And I mean, that's stuff like that too. You know what I'm saying. I'll be like, you know, I definitely done reached out, you know, stuff like that. But you know, as they like to say, timing is everything. But you know, but it's only. And I gotta say it like this: it's only a handful of people that's making noise in the loop.
Right.
From a production standpoint.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Right. Absolutely.
I ain't gotta name names, none of that.
Right. They know who they are.
They know who they is. The resumes speak for themselves. You know what I'm saying?
Absolutely.
So with that being said, why certain people ain't, why the link up ain't already happened? You know what I'm saying? I can't, you know what I'm saying? I can't comment or speculate, you know what I'm saying? So, you know.
And did you, I see you did that song, Designer. Did y'all shoot that here?
Yeah.
I seen Sax and I seen like that was from that. What?
Yeah,
okay.
Yeah, people would show like, bro, they let you shoot in there? I was like, I was like, why? People really ask me like, bro, as if they wanted to go up there and do it. I'm like, bruh, I said, I don't know what to tell you. I'm like, I mean, yeah, me and my guys, we spent a couple bucks up there, but I mean, you know what I'm saying? But at the end of the day, it was like, you know, they didn't not know who, and that's what I tell people. Your image is everything, because these people don't know who I am, but because they don't know who I am and I do look like a somebody, they're not going to approach me just any kind of way. They're going to deal with me accordingly as such, you know what I'm saying? And I ain't going to even lie to you, they didn't bother us, you know what I'm saying? We went to the Louis store, spent a little bag in there, real quick. I think we went to like one or two other stores. I played on the piano that they had in the thing, just on some like, you know what I'm saying? We wasn't even there that long, you know what I'm saying? And then we stood outside and did the drone footage, scenery, and all that kind of stuff. But I mean, you know what I'm saying? Like security saw us and everything. Like it wasn't like we was sneaking, like, you know what I mean? Like, but again, if we looked at like hoodlums and we didn't look like we belong out there, if we didn't have no bags, you know what I'm saying? Then no, we probably wouldn't be able to get that off. You know what I'm saying? No, heck no.
Yeah, you gotta fit the part.
Yeah, you know what I'm saying? Everybody was drippy all the way down to the cameraman. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, everybody was looking like they belong out here.
What's the most you just spent on clothes, man?
At one time?
Yeah, just like at one time, like putting a fit together real quick.
I done spent a good $7 on an outfit real quick.
Spent a good $7 on
without even thinking about it. And that's not counting accessories.
Oh, they ain't counting accessories?
Nah.
That's just the shirt and the pants and socks, shoes. You talking about the belt, you know what I'm saying?
You know, I ain't even think. Yeah, that's probably at least a good 8 then, for sure. Because the accessories probably come up, you know what I'm saying, depending on, and that's if you throw it in the bag, you know what I'm saying. I might have a designer bag on or something, you know what I'm saying. But shoot, most of the time, yeah, I like the kicks, yeah, the pants, because I like a mirror, so the mirror is always gonna be like 1,000,
Right.
you know what I'm saying. And then I wear a lot of I like the Dior's and the Dior, the designer shoes, man, be anywhere from like, you know, the 450 all the way up. The shoes I wear every day that's designed like 450 to like 800, like that's the ones that I'm gonna wear every day. Okay. You know what I'm saying? Those now, of course, the ones that's the 1,000 plus, I'm only gonna throw them on when I'm gonna put that shit on like that. You know what I'm saying? Like when I did a red carpet event, that fit had to be about 10. Had to be about 10. But the jacket was custom though, you know what I'm saying? So shout out to my peoples who did the custom joint over there at the Only Lifestyle, you know what I'm saying?
Right.
Yeah, they boy, they could keep the boy fresh.
Keep your boy real. I seen you did some production with 607 Connection, the country grammar.
Yeah.
You did some work on that too?
Yeah, man.
How was that, man? What you feel like that, yeah? Uh-oh.
Hold on. Let me. Y'all don't worry about what's in my cup.
You gotta get the cup, take a sip real quick. Oh, yeah. I hit the right question. You dig?
Man. Alright. Cause I don't like down talking my city, man, but just the business just wasn't right.
Right.
It wasn't right. Like, and that's all it be, bro. Like, it don't be no beef. You know what I'm saying? It don't be like,
right.
It don't be no beef. You know what I'm saying? It just be like, damn, bro.
Professionalism.
Yeah, professionalism. You know what I'm saying? That be what it be. You know what I'm saying? And you know what I'm saying? And like, I'm an energy person. And it's just energy, just how it came about. Like, you know what I'm saying? We definitely did a big studio session. And, you know what I'm saying? They inquired about some beats, you know what I'm saying? I slid them to them, you know what I'm saying? You know, because, you know what I'm saying? Everything was proper, like, on the session, you know what I'm saying? I thought Mother was going to double back on the beat, you know what I'm saying? On the beats, on whichever ones Mother wanted, you know what I'm saying? But nobody said nothing, you know what I'm saying? And then I go to a studio session. And I bumps into Lil Tay, literally bumps into him at Shock City, and he literally just recorded the song. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, the energy and timing couldn't have been no perfecter, and that's not even a word.